Welcome to the CyberArk ISPSS Tenant Activation Guide. In this video, you'll learn the essential steps to activate your ISPSS tenant and start benefiting from CyberArk's Identity Security Platform shared services. Let's begin with Step 1, Prerequisites and the Welcome Email. Before you start, make sure you've received the CyberArk Welcome Email. This important message includes key information about your ISPSS services, account details, and an activation link. Within the Services Information section, you'll find details about the business services and unified administration services available in your tenant. The Account Information section provides your unique ISPSS tenant URL, tenant admin username, and your tenant and identity IDs. Please note, the activation link is only valid for 96 hours, so be sure to act within this time frame. Also, copy the domain part of your tenant URL from the email and save it securely. It's important for future access. If your tenant uses a vanity URL, make sure to share the original URL with any end users who might be using Secure Infrastructure Access, or SIA, to reach their targets. Now, moving on to Step 2, Initial Sign-In. Open your web browser and navigate to the ISPSS Tenant Activation URL provided in your welcome email. Remember, this link expires after 96 hours, so if you miss this window, you'll need to use the Forget Your Password function. In this demonstration, the activation URL has expired. When accessing the URL, you'll see an error indicating authentication failure. Don't worry, simply enter your username and click Next. Then, select Forget Your Password and click on Send Me an Email. You will receive an email with an authentication link and a code to verify your identity and reset your password. Click the Continue with Authentication link or enter the provided code on the authentication page. If clicking the link, a new browser page will load. Wait for the Authentication Successful message to appear, then close this page. Your original authentication page will refresh automatically. At this point, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong password that meets CyberArk's recommendations or your company's security guidelines. Once your password is reset successfully, you'll be redirected to the login screen. Enter your username and new password. Then complete the multi-factor authentication process. Upon a successful login, you'll be greeted with the ISPSS landing page and welcome message. That concludes your ISPSS tenant activation. Your tenant is now fully activated, and you can start onboarding users, integrating authentication sources, and configuring CyberArk services to meet your security needs. For more information on configurations and detailed guidance, don't forget to consult the CyberArk official documentation and knowledge-based articles. You can also refer back to the helpful links included in your welcome email. Staying informed with these resources will help you make the most of your CyberArk ISPSS tenant and ensure a secure, efficient deployment. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates.